This is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are continuing on with our 8x8 folio, and the first thing we're going to do is fix where the sucky magnet is. My magnets stink. If you know of better magnets and what magnets I should use, because no matter which ones I buy, they stink. So what we're going to do is just use Velcro dots. I'm telling you, my brain is not working today. This is my 4th video I'm filming, and my brain is just not working today. I'm trying to catch up, so with Easter coming, I have a lot of stuff to do to prep for Easter. So we're just going to put 3 little Velcro dots there. We're going to square this up really nice. Get that where it needs to be, and then push them down. Okay, and now they have to sit for a little bit. And what I'm going to do is start decorating. I'm going to decorate off camera because it takes me a while sometimes to decorate. I will decorate the cover though with you guys, but everything else I'm going to do off camera. So I will be back to do a flip through of everything that got done, and then we'll decorate the cover. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so first of all, I realized I never covered the back. And the piece that I had to cover the back, I cut for some other reason. So we are going to just layer it. Not a big deal. Also, I apologize for anything you may hear. I've never ever had to deal with so much noise before. Make sure this is the right way. Yep. Everybody is just super loud. Doesn't matter that they know I'm filming. They don't care. It's fine. They don't care. It is what it is. But yes, I forgot. I had the piece cut, and then I must have. Some of the other pieces I thought I had cut wrong, and I didn't. So I used the piece I had for the back to recut the pieces I didn't need to recut. So there's that. Also, I want to cover these. So I cut some strips of 3/8, I think it was. I don't know. The spines, whatever you want to call them, are 1/2 inch. So I believe 3/8 by 7 3/4. When I do for this, to cover this stuff, I do like to give it I can't even think, wider piece than I normally would for a mat, only because it's already so thin. So let's get the next one and put the next one in, and then we'll go through and I will show you how I decorated everything. As you can see, you're already getting a glimpse, but you kind of have to open to put the papers on the spines, but this will give it a little bit more structure. It needs that little bit of extra structure. Let's not lose my pin. I've lost my pin 3 times already, and it's a new pin. Like, I don't get it. And my dog's barking for food again, but this time at least somebody's actually eating. Okay. My boyfriend stopped and brought us cheesesteaks because I've been like in the mood for a cheesesteak for the past few days. Okay. And the dog thinks anytime anybody has food, it also belongs to him. He's definitely one of those dogs that would literally eat himself to death. He would eat until his belly exploded. Okay. All right, now that we have these on, let's work on the cover. I don't know how much I should have done the cover first, but you know what? My thought was I already had this on the cover. So whatever else I'm adding to it is like sprinkles on the icing. Okay. What do we got here? Why don't we just, and I feel like this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take this stuff and kind of lay it around in areas. So we have the cake, we have a piñata. I mean, let's be honest, I'm really probably not going to use a lot more of these stickers anywhere, so let's just do it this way. Do the froggy. Love frogs. The bird's too dark. Oh, let's do the shark right here. What do we think? Oh, that's cute. And then we have a party hat. Should we put it on the piñata? No, let's put it right here to match that. And then we could do this piece of cake. And let's do, what else should we do? Why don't we do the candles? Do the candle here? No. Do the candle, no. How about right there? No, I don't like it. Put the candle back. What else should we do? Once again, this is a time that I wish. I just want to make sure there's 5 on this side and there's 3 on this side. So let's at least put 1 more on this side. Something like maybe right here. Why don't we move this frog down a little bit? Or move him up. Let's move him up a little bit because we do have the piñata down there. So we'll move him up. And then we'll put, how about this piece of cake? That we have lots of cake. Okay, what do you think about that? I like it. And then you know what? We'll see if we can add any more of these little bits and pieces. Let me close up my glue bottle. I know. You were yelling at me like I yell at other people who don't close up their glue bottles. Okay, so here we go. Here's our cover, our back, our sides. And let's open it up. And I need to put stuff on there so it doesn't stick, but I'll do that another time. Okay, so here we go. Here's our little flip outs. I have It's Time to Eat Cake and a cupcake. And you know what? Let's put this little, no, won't fit there. It doesn't work there. Okay, and then when you flip it out, I have this dinosaur blowing on this and have an epic birthday. And let's put this little balloon animal right there. Okay. Over here, happy birthday to you, and these little squiggles, and there's more squiggles. But do I want to use all the squiggles? No, I don't want to use all the squiggles because that's just too many. So we'll move on. Then I have a little monkey, the balloon animals, and get your party on. Now the monkey needs something. What should the monkey have? Let's, no. Oh, I know. The monkey needs a party hat. What do you think? Oh yeah, the monkey needed a party hat. It's a party. You take the cake, it's party time, and one of the cakes. And then it's your birthday, let's raise the woof. The woof. And then another dog, and he's holding a bunch of balloons. And then here, we have you're a party animal, and I put these up here, and it says yay. Is there a little, there we go. And this flips out, and we have the who's Yeti to party. I'm Yeti for a party. We all know he's Yeti for a party. Okay, anything else that we can put? Why don't we add some of these little curly Q thingies, huh? Okay. We'll just add one there, and then let's do the orange. And then add one here. There we go, because he's ready to party. And then we flip this one out. And we'll move it over here so you can see it better. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Let's get your party on. And then down here, let's celebrate you some presents, which I have more presents. So let's just fill the whole bottom in with as many presents as we can. I wasn't sure if I would need them, so I didn't want to use them. Okay. And then this one. And we have this one. And then we had one more. Where was it? Here, this one here. That we're going to put right there. Okay. And then in here, I put the rest of the cut-aparts, which, oh, and there's a puppy, which I would then use to frame some 3x4 photos. I would just put a 3x4 photo on each of these and tuck them in. Okay. And tuck them back in. And there's that. And then, why don't we put the bird over here in the corner to get rid of him, because we're never going to use him. And then there's already a thing there. And let's use the shark over here on the shark paper. Right here. What do you think? And then there's still room to put a bunch of photos, because I don't do 4x6s. I do a lot of 3x4s and 2x3s. So there's plenty of room for pictures on these pages. And all we have left then is this. I really want to use a sticker, and I don't even know why. I don't know why, but we're not going to use it. So all I have left is that from the sticker sheet. And this folds over, over, down, over, over, and then together. And there we go. There we have an 8x8 folio. Okay, and I think it came out great. So like I said, the only thing I have left from the collection then is this little bit of stickers. And let me see, can I reach? Ugh. And these are the papers I have left. Oh, I could even, you know what? I'm going to cut these up and put them in there. So these are the papers I have left. And yeah, they don't all have to be for a birthday. I have these two I can cut up and put in there. So I used a good amount of the collection. And then what I might do is use up the rest and make a tag album. That's what I might do. If you're interested in that, please comment down below if you would like me to make a tag album with the leftovers. And yeah, let me know what you thought of this. I appreciate you guys joining me so much, and you have an unbelievably awesome day, and have a happy holiday if you're seeing this. I'm filming it before Easter. I don't know when it's going up. You know, it's probably not going up. So I hope you had a happy holiday. Here's that. If you celebrate Easter, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.